Children, come sit with us.
Yes, Dad, we are here. I am listening, Dad. Today, we will talk about life. What lesson today, Mom?
Today, we will learn about honesty. Yeah.
Honesty sounds important.
Yes, honesty builds trust.
Dad, why is honesty so powerful?
Because truth never fears anyone.
Dad, does honesty make people strong?
Yes, honesty makes the heart strong.
And honesty makes people respected. I want people to respect me.
Then always speak the truth.
What if telling truth is hard?
Truth may be hard, but it is right.
Dad, did you ever face such a test?
Yes, many times in my life.
Please tell us one story.
Once I found a lost wallet.
Was there money inside? Oh,
Yes, there was a lot of money.
what did you do then? Well,
I returned it to the owner.
you did not keep it?
No, honesty is more valuable.
Your father always chooses truth.
That is very inspiring. What did the owner say?
Oh, he thanked me with tears.
That must feel good.
Yes, honesty brings peace.
Peace is more valuable than money.
I understand now.
Honesty gives respect.
Exactly, my children.
But there is another lesson.
What lesson, Mom?
Kindness is also very important. How can we be kind?
Help people when they need help.
Even strangers? Yes, even strangers.
Kindness makes the world beautiful.
I like kindness. I will try to be kind.
Kindness also needs patience.
What is patience, Mom?
Patience means waiting calmly.
Waiting is sometimes difficult.
But patience makes you strong.
Dad, is patience like practice?
Yes, patience grows with practice.
Good habits take time. I will practice patience. Me too, Mom. I am proud of you both. Good children make parents happy. We want to make you proud. Dad, what about hard work?
Hard work builds success.
Lazy people lose opportunities.
I will not be lazy. I will study hard.
That is the right attitude.
Education gives wisdom.
Wisdom helps good decisions.
I want to be wise.
Wisdom comes with learning.
And wisdom comes with listening.
We are listening carefully. Every word is important.
I am happy to hear that.
Good children listen with respect.
Respect is important too.
Yes, respect builds relationships.
Respect makes people happy. Respect also shows good character. Character means good behavior.
Exactly, my son.
I want good character.
Good character is life's treasure.
Better than money?
Yes, much better than money.
Money can finish quickly. But good character stays forever.
That is a powerful lesson. Remember these lessons always.
We will remember, Dad. Dad, what if people choose evil?
Then they lose respect.
Evil actions destroy trust.
Good actions build trust. I want to build trust.
Then always choose goodness.
Happiness makes life beautiful.
Exactly, my children.
Goodness brings happiness.
Happiness is precious. Our family believes in goodness. I am proud of our family. I love our family values.
Family teaches the first lessons.
Parents guide the children. And children learn from parents.
Learning never stops.
Yes, learning lasts forever.
Every day teaches something new. Today taught many lessons. I feel wiser today.
That makes me very happy.
My heart feels proud.
Thank you for teaching us.
We learned honesty today. We learned kindness too.
And patience as well.
And also hard work.
These lessons are powerful. They will guide our life. Always choose truth.
Always spread kindness.
Always respect others. Always work hard.
Then success will follow you.
And peace will stay with you.
I promise to follow these lessons. I promise the same.
Your promises make us proud.
Our family will stay strong.
We will support each other. We will stay honest always.
That is the spirit of goodness.
Good families build good societies.
Good societies build strong nations. Strong nations bring peace.
Peace is the greatest success.
Peace begins in the family.
Our family will spread goodness.
And goodness will always win.